Expert bathroom remodeling services in Woodland Hills, Utah. EagleRidge, Utah specializes in high-quality bathroom remodeling services in Woodland Hills, Utah, ensuring expert craftsmanship and modern design tailored to homeowners' preferences. Our remodeling process begins with a detailed consultation to understand your vision, followed by a seamless execution that enhances both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking for a sleek, contemporary update or a timeless, elegant transformation, our team delivers customized solutions using premium materials and the latest fixtures. We offer a full range of services, including plumbing and electrical work, structural modifications, waterproofing, tile installation, cabinetry, countertops, and more. Our expertise extends to luxury upgrades such as heated flooring, smart technology integration, custom cabinetry, skylights, saunas, steam rooms, jacuzzis, and bidets. No matter the size or complexity of the project, we focus on creating a comfortable, stylish, and efficient space tailored to your needs. A bathroom remodel is more than just an upgrade. It's an investment in your home's value, efficiency, and overall comfort. Modern fixtures can reduce water consumption, while improved layouts enhance usability and safety. Our designs incorporate the latest trends, ensuring a balance of beauty and practicality for a refreshing new space. At EagleRidge, Utah, we are committed to quality, affordability, and timely project completion. We work closely with homeowners to bring their dream bathrooms to life, offering expert guidance at every step. If you're ready to transform your Woodland Hills bathroom, call EagleRidge, Utah at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate. Let us help you create a space that reflects your style and enhances your home's value.